In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an Airtable table to another base. We'll do this by exporting your table as a CSV from one base and importing that file into the base where you want it to live. You just need access to both bases and permission to download and add data. Start in the base that already has the table you want to copy. Open that table first and make sure you're looking at the view that contains exactly the records and fields you want to bring over. A quick note before we continue. Downloading a CSV captures the data exactly as shown in the current view. That means it includes only visible fields and filtered records, and it won't carry over things like linked relationships, lookups, rollups, attachments, or formulas. Those can be set up again later if needed. Now go to the View controls and click the drop-down icon next to the view name, typically labeled Grid View, near the top of the interface. From that menu, choose Download CSV. Airtable may prompt you to confirm the download, so go ahead and click OK. Your browser will save a CSV file to your computer. If your table is large, give it a moment to finish. With the file saved, switch to the destination base where you want this new table to appear. On the base's home screen or inside the base, look for the option to add a new table and choose Add or Import. When the import options appear, select CSV file as your source. Next, click Browse Files, locate the CSV you just downloaded and select it. You'll see a preview so you can confirm it's the right file. When you're ready, click Upload one file and let Airtable process the import. It will create a new table from your CSV and bring in your rows and columns. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a few moments. Once the upload completes, you'll see your new table in the destination base. The core data is now copied over. Keep in mind that field types may default to text, and that computed fields, links, and attachments don't transfer through CSV, so you can fine-tune those in the new table afterward if you'd like. Also, if you ever need additional columns that didn't appear, check that they're visible in the source view before exporting next time. And that's it. You exported the table as a CSV, imported it into another base, and successfully copied your data. Thanks for watching, and happy building.